Hello, welcome to LittleGasthaus. Uh, there's no official video right now. Got some technical problems with my cable companies. They ruined the cable somewhere. That digged up the street 2 weeks ago, putting the third fiber optic cable in the ground, and it's just in front of my property. And they must have made some damage to the cable. So no internet, no telephone. I only got my phone to just let you know what's going on. And yeah, thanks for watching me. It's not really much, but just to let you know. Okay, have a nice weekend, and I see you next week. It takes probably till Tuesday night before they fix it. So I will be surprised because the weather is nasty right now. It's raining a lot, and it's not going better before Thursday. So well, we will see. And then I'm almost ready to pick up my wife, and then as fast as possible we go south because I don't want this weather, really. I don't, and I don't need it. Okay, take care. Till next weekend. Bye bye.